Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from whatever part of the world you're watching from, or whatever time you're watching this from. Alright. First of all, I want to just give you guys the usual thing that every YouTuber will always say. Please like and subscribe to the video, guys. Alright, like and subscribe. It's gonna help the channel go far, help what we are trying to push on this channel to go far, and make it global, right? Right, make it global. And also comment is actually very important for me right now. Like, I really want to know what you guys want. Are you guys liking the video I'm making? What kind of video do you guys want me to make? And so on and so forth. All right, so guys, like, subscribe to my channel, and I really much appreciate. I really much appreciate. It's going to help push the channel forward, and also help build this community to a larger one. All right. So let's, guys. Today what we're doing, I'm going to first of all be doing a review of the trades of the market we analyzed last week and how it went about this week, just to show you guys that, come on, Kingsley knows what he's doing in his trade. All right, he knows what he's doing. As I told you guys that I was not really interested in the dollar pairs, because I was seeing a lot of indecision in the market. I was much more interested in the yen pair, right? Why? Because after this range, you can see here this rejection. The last week it had a kind of like a bullish kind of pull up, so we're expecting, okay, yeah, we're going to see more bullish candle pushing up. All right, in which we did see. And for the year, for the XY, we really didn't like what it was looking like. So I didn't touch the US pair at all, the dollar pair at all this week I just passed. I was more interested in yen pair, and yen gave me good peeps. Oh guys, you can't really believe that. It gave me a lot of good, nice peeps, especially on Tuesday. And I think, was it Friday or Thursday? But guys, Tuesday was not sure. I can't remember. I thought it was Thursday or Friday, but it was Friday. It was Thursday. Sorry, it was Thursday, guys. It was Thursday because Friday was NFP. I did trade on Friday, but Tuesday was the day, man. I Gave me 1:3, guys. Gave me 1:3, and I made a little bit of money on my profit in my account, which was superb. So we're just going to be doing a little bit of review on the trades. Then we're going to analyze markets we're going to be trading this week, or market we are going to be watching out for this week. Remember, guys, mostly what I trade is like, I like to trade the yen and the dollar pair. Card at times, all right, just at times I trade the card pairs, but mostly majorly it's the dollar and the yen pairs, guys. Okay, so we're just going to go into a review and see what how did the market go like, and after our analysis last week. All right, this is just to show you. I'm just doing this review to tell you guys that Kingsley here, your boy Kingsley, knows what he's doing. All right, he knows what he's doing. He knows what he's doing. I've been here for like, I've been doing this shit for like 2 years now. I'm not where I want to be, but yeah, we get it better day after day, week after week, and year after year, guys, month after month, man. To the moon, all the way up. So, guys, we're just gonna do the analysis right now. Yeah, as I said, we could see the bullish candle that engulfed last week and broke out this level, which confirmed our buyers. Remember, we were not interested in trading the yen pairs the last 2 weeks because of this range we're seeing here. So we were expecting that we could see a breakout, then we're interested. So last week was the week that we were not interested in trading, and also this week, and it went on towards this week too. So guys, we could see the breakout. So definitely we're expecting more bullishness. So right now I'm still seeing a lot of more yen strength, still seeing strength in market. So let's head out to the daily time frame. Yeah, okay, right, cool. Oh wow, guys, this week is we are trading yen, mostly yen buys. We are expecting yen buys. I'm expecting yen buys. I don't know. I like the setup. I like the way the market is looking like right now. But who knows? In trading, anything can still always happen. All right, there's always still that possibility of market not doing as accordingly. But remember, it's always good to be very flexible, as I always said in my previous videos. If market changes, we change. All right, we are not here to. It's just like Chelsea and Man U match now. We don't have anyone we are standing for. Whichever one is winning, that's the one we are following. So if the market is going down, we are following down. If the market is going up, we are going up. We don't have any sides. We don't take sides there. It's not sports. It's not game. All right. If let's say if Man U is winning, we join Man U. If Chelsea is winning, we join Chelsea. All right. So that is it, guys. And yeah. So last week we analyzed for a buy on the trade. And last week, this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so this was this week from here. I don't know. Let me add. I don't know how to add this thing, but let me check it out. This something. Let's leave it, guys. It's not really necessary. It's not necessary. So we could see the buys that have been going on here. From here, this was last week. Wait a minute. Okay, yeah, this was where last week ended. Not this week that just passed. Sorry, guys. I mean the week before this week. This was ended. So we're expecting more buys in the market, and then we get it to the 4 hour time frame, and that is where you see where we decided to take our moves, guys. Yep. All right. We're there. So we could see this very good trend up, down, up, down. So upon this, you can see clearly. Alright, okay, that was yeah. This was this week that just passed down. So it was upon this pullback, and then this is engulfing. Then this is just in the yen basket. Let's go to the pair trade. Actually, what I traded was the EURJPY, EURJPY. Right, what we're doing here, we're doing pepper stone. That's the yen basket. All right, so this was actually where we traded. It's just a review. It's going to be short. It's just a review, guys. It's going to be short. The video is not. It's a review, and then we're going to watch out for the trades we're going to like analyze for what we're going to be doing this week. All right. Yeah. So now this was the trade I actually took. This was the trade I actually wait was it? I think I need to go to down to the lower time frame. But if I do that, let me still keep explaining. So you can see that I trade with the trend. Market is a downtrend, so therefore what we're looking for is sells. Right now, man, the market is really yen is kind of like giving me that downtrend. You know when markets will give you up and downtrend move like signals at the same time. Best thing to do is just to wait for it to confirm what it wants to do. Because right now, that's what I'm seeing now. Well, I'm seeing it mostly like in the euro, right? Because right now we're seeing kind of like the trend is broken, but the weekly says downtrend, the daily says downtrend. So therefore, I think we'll also be trading a downtrend. We're following the trend at this point. Yeah, I think that's what we're doing. We're going to follow the trend at this point. So guys, this was actually the trade that I took. Where was it again? Yeah, it was on a Tuesday. This was the trade I took. So we're just gonna head down to the 15 minute and I'm gonna see where I took the trade. It was a sell trade. It was clear, just simple structure. The market was just trending. The yen has been strong. So expect you're again expecting to be selling Euro JPY, GBP JPY, and so on and so forth. So all JPY counterparts. So yeah, it was on a Tuesday. Let's head out to Tuesday. Where's Tuesday? Where's Tuesday? Where's Tuesday? Yeah, exactly. This was it here, guys. So I took the sell from here. This is where I took the sell from. It's just right about here. And my stop loss was exactly, I had a very tight stop loss, guys. It just, trade was very, this is the kind of trade I usually like. It actually was aiming for 1:3. So I can't, this is exactly not how it was like, but I'm just giving you what I can just, always what I can remember how I did it. So it just smashed it immediately and I was very glad. I was like, yeah, cool, that was good. That was good. That was a nice one. So guys, this was the trade I took. It was very good. You can see market pull back to an area of interest. You can see this area of interest here. What interest is this? This is just a previous resistance area at 22. This is the previous resistance area. So market got there, rejected it, gave me a double top, and we rolled it down, rolled it to the downside for 1 to 3. So same thing, the opportunity was yet same on GBPJPY. Let's head down to GBPJPY. You see the opportunity was there still same on Tuesday for a sell. It was there on CAD JPY. It was there on CHF JPY. This was the one of CHF called GBPJPY. You can see, but I didn't take this trade actually. I didn't take this trade. Same thing, level, double top. You can see this was the previous support area, turn resistance, and the market sold off. So guys, that was it for GBPJPY. I can go on and show you for CHF JPY, CAD JPY. The thing here, the trick here is just to pick one and fill up. You can't take all the trade at once, alright? So you just pick. I usually just sometimes they give me problem because begin to kind of like be when there's too many options, you guys don't know what to do again. Right? It gives you that too many options, you don't know what to pick. Right? But I've been doing this. I always try to always decipher it very well and pick the best one. I'll just start using my rules. That's what I do, guys. I'll start using my rules to know which one aligns my rules best. So which one is following the trend, which one is in the level, which one is everything, like everything. When you do one that ticks more of the box, I pick that one. That's how you do it. That's how you override that, guys. When you're trading a pair that just correlate, they correlates very well. For those guys that kind of like, they are trading a pair that correlates very well and they don't know how to go about it. That's just what I do, guys. That's just what I do. So yeah, that was it for the trade. That was just the review. For the dollar, I didn't trade the dollar. I was not really interested in the dollar. But let's get back. Let's get into what we're going to be looking out for this week. And unfortunately, I'm actually now interested in the dollar pair. But now I'm not more interested for dollar. I kind of like just seeing a little bit of temporarily, what do I call it, temporary weakness for the dollar. So that just got my interest on the dollar pair. So let's head out to the dollar pair, guys. So yeah, you can see that the XY, we'll start from the XY. I usually go to the index to start out there. Good. So guys, let's start from the weekly. Start off from the weekly, guys. But I'm seeing sells for the dollar. That's what I'm saying. All right. As you see, the dollar is gonna sell this week. Gonna sell. Oh man, gonna just refresh it. Oh, so guys, what I'm expecting for this week is kind of for the dollar is I'm expecting dollar weakness, but not for so long. But for this week, I'm expecting to see the dollar actually push down. One of the reasons I'm saying so is that after this kind of very long ride, it's normal to see the market pull back a little bit, right? It's normal. If you see it after the long ride, the market pulls back down. After every long ride like this, it's usual to see the market kind of like do a little bit of retracement and then keep on going back down. It's usual, it's common, right? So after the market really engulfing this previous week here, I was expecting that it was this week that just passed that. The previous last 2 weeks, the market engulfed. Remember, guys, the weekly I usually just going for candlesticks. All right, I'm not looking out there anything, just looking for candlesticks formation and and all of that. So you can see that the previous week engulfed the last 2 weeks engulfed the last 3 weeks, and then this other week didn't really do anything, but we can see some kind of rejection. Though it's a bullish rejection, but yeah, all right. That's the information we're just here for is for the weekly, and also being that it's normal for to see the market just pull back a little bit. So then let's head out to the daily time frame, guys. And in the daily time frame, you're going to see a certain form of like trend change. All right, it's like the market is trying to change trend. Probably let's. I would like to see how CPI is going to turn out first of all. Yeah, because CPI is going to really give us a lot of details on this. So we can see a little bit of head and shoulders in this zone. Let's just map it out. Head and shoulders, where are you? Where is our head and shoulders? Head, shoulders, Nizanto. So yeah, cool. You can see a little bit of head and shoulders here, left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder, right? So and then the neckline has been broken. So what we're expecting is a trend change. You can see that there, and that is for the daily. And you can see the engulfing candle. Let's get rid of this head and shoulders. So you can see the engulfing candle that's happened here. The trend break. You see the trend line, right? So 1, 2. This was supposed to be the depth of the trend line, but you can see the break of the trend line. So guys, how many confluence is this? First of all, one engulfing candle on the previous 2 weeks. Then the previous week that just passed failed to kind of give us a rejection. So that is the first confluence is on the weekly. On the daily, we can see the head and shoulders pattern, which we know is that is a reversal pattern. And then we can also see the break of the trend line. All right, that is how many now? That is 3 conferences. Head and shoulders, breakout trend line. So what is that telling us? That is telling us, and all these things, guys, all these things are happening in a key level. What key level? Here. All right, sorry, are happening in a key in a point of interest. That's what I meant to say. Point of interest. What point of interest? This daily line, this daily box you see here now. That's kind of like brownish maroon. You can see it there. All right, it's happening all in a zone. So therefore, what are you looking for? Looking to sell the market, guys. Honestly, looking to sell, I'm looking out for dollar weakness. All right, looking out for dollar weakness right now. So let's head out to the 4 hour. That's usually our main time frame. The weekly is showing us a down, is an uptrend, but with the candlesticks, we are reading the candlesticks there. We're seeing sort of like a down movement. Then the daily is giving us a downtrend movement. The 4 hour is giving us a downtrend move, so therefore we are selling. So we are going to be looking to, for GBPJPY looking to buy GBPJPY, for EURJPY looking to buy EURJPY, for USD card looking to sell it, and you know how it goes, the quotes and the base currencies. So now guys, you can see the trend already is now forming here. You can see this push up and then respective push. Right on Monday, I'm going to be really interested. There and here, we're going to expect a push to the downside. Let me just draw it quickly. So you can see guys, one, that's the impossible, the impossible was supposed to happen, but it happened. So I expect it's going to happen just after the week opens, and then we'll see the massive move probably to this area here. Yeah. So that will be the touch of the trend line, and you can see, guys, the touch of the trend line is happening in the key zone again. All right, it's happening in the key zone here. See, this was previously a resistance area became a support area right about here, broke it. So definitely going to be a resistance area for market to push right down. So we're going to be looking for dollar weakness. All right, we're going to be looking for dollar weakness, and yeah, that's what we're looking for this week. So we're looking to sell GBPJPY. So we're looking to buy GBPJPY. Let us do a quick move on GBPUSD. I mean, guys, GBPUSD. So guys, I used it. If the dollar index is just the direct opposite of the Euro USD, right? So you are doing this. If you just go to the Euro USD and just do the inverse, you see that it's just the same thing, but in inverse. In inverse. So guys, you can see I already have mapped out my lines already. So I'm looking to buy. What am I looking to do? We can see this push to downside. So we're looking for market to like give us a little bit of, which is going to be on the 30 minute and 50 minute for sure, or our normal double top and candlesticks pattern for us to buy. All right, so but these are the zones we're interested in. We're interested in this zone. You can see that I marked it out 1 hour time frame. I'm interested in this 4 hour time frame. I'm just gonna put it out there, guys. Just gonna put it there now. 4 hour, 4 hour. Yeah, cool. Cool, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. I'm really excited, guys. All right, really excited for this market right now because this is a very juicy trade. So we can see the 4 hour market has changed. The 4 hour trend has changed on GBPUSD. Let's check out the daily. Yeah, I see the daily has changed, so guys. Daily has changed, and then we can see a little bit of what we call inverse head and shoulders. I know. Let me put a line chart. The line chart to make it clear to you. And that's another trick I do too, guys. If the candles are giving you no confusing, you just change to line chart and you can see clearly. So you can see the head and shoulders clearly right now, guys. You can see clearly. Yeah, the left shoulder, right. Show the head, and then the right shoulder. Let's head back to candlesticks. So we're looking to buy the market now. But we're gonna buy a lot more. We get rid of these things and not use again. So that's not a lot of stuff. Yeah, so yeah, I think that'll be okay. So I give you let's just leave that. So you can see that very guys well. So we're looking to actually sell um to buy GBPUSD, and as for EURUSD, same thing, looking to buy EURUSD. Let me just show you guys how it's the DXY is the inverse of EURUSD. I'm just gonna wait a little bit here exactly. Right, so you can see that the DXY was giving you that sort of like head and shoulders, but now you can see the inverse head and shoulders. Let's just go to the line chart. You're gonna see clearly there. Cool, you can see it inverse head and shoulders. It's not those very perfect ones you see on the textbook, but if you've been trading for a long time, you're gonna really notice it at most times. So what are we looking for Euro USD? Let's head on today. So you can see it's a downtrend on the daily, but uh, this on Monday we're gonna see the break. I believe so. We're gonna see the trade. I'm really confident with that. I'm gonna see the break. I'm gonna actually see the break there. I'm seeing some pattern here. Let's just try this. So that's what they call the wedge. Not the wedge, sorry, symmetrical angle. I don't know. They have a lot of names for it, but they don't really matter. It's just the psychology behind it. So yeah. So we see the break and then we test, then we strike. Yeah, exactly. So it might not be on Monday, it might not be on Tuesday, whatever, but just gonna be this week. Just prefer for this week, guys. So let's head on to the 4 hour time frame. Here we go. And then we see the but right now the Euro USD has not actually the trend on the daily is still looking bearish, but we're seeing a reversal pattern. Remember, guys, the reversal pattern usually always works when um the reversal pattern always works when the neckline is being broken. So we can see the head and shoulders pattern being formed. On the DXY, it's going to be broken. So definitely I believe it's going to be broken on the Euro USD too. Yeah, it's going to be broken there. That's a really good. Mm, let's just be talking. Let's just be going ahead. So guys, number one, we're going to be looking to sell to buy for dollar strength. So we're looking to buy Euro USD and GBPUSD this week. All right. Which now what I'm saying now doesn't really mean this is exactly what's going to happen. Right. Sometimes the market can always, do its thing, but this is my strategy telling me what to do. My strategy is telling me we should be expecting buys in the market for EURUSD and GBPUSD because we're expecting dollar weakness. And as for yen, we're expecting yen strength, so we're expecting buys from GBPUSD, sorry, GBPJPY. Sorry, I'm saying we're expecting sells from GBPJPY and EURJPY. All right, and the other JPY counterparts according to analysis, guys. So now let's look out the 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hour is still in the downtrend, so we are pretty much still gonna wait. We're not gonna take action. Still pretty much gonna wait for the 4 hour to switch bullish. So probably might not happen on Monday, but hopefully Tuesday. So the market can switch to bullish trend, and then we're gonna strike. For Euro, for GBPUSD, I think GBPUSD is already set up. Let's look at it. The GBPUSD trend has already changed already. Yeah, the 4 hour trend has already changed. The one daily has already changed. So yeah, that's it, guys. I think it has changed, and I'm gonna go with GBPUSD mostly because I think it's faster than the USD for now. The pound is quite stronger than the euro right now. But as for Euro USD, we're gonna have a pause. We're just gonna wait for it to break before we look out to trade it for a buy. And yeah, that's what we're doing. So guys, we're gonna wait for GBPUSD is ready. For EURUSD is still gonna getting to be ready. We just need for the sake of our strategy, we just need it to break. Or we just need to break the structure. Just need to break the structure. Like the 4 hour structure is still looking down, is still downtrend. You can see this. The 4 hour structure is still downtrend. So when it breaks it clearly, then we test it, then we look to buy. Alright. So that is it for the DXY. I'm not going to touch all the dollar pairs. Just know that I'm expecting dollar weakness. So you guys should know what you guys already know what to do. Expecting dollar weakness means that pairs that has the dollar as the base currency would sell, and pairs that have the dollar as the quote currency would be buying. So straight out to Euro to JPY. So expecting JPY, I already said it in the review. We're going to be expecting to be buying, to be selling JPY because we're expecting the yen to be strong. Alright, we're expecting the yen to be strong, but anything can still happen. But we're going to see that, guys. Alright. So thank you very much for staying up to this point. For those that stayed up to this point, thank you very much for watching. It's pretty much long. I didn't want it to be long because it's just a kind of like review and weekly lookout. Right. But thank you very much, guys. Like, subscribe, and comment, especially comment, guys. So we're gonna see next week. It's a boy, Ejimo BK Kingsley. Peace out.